Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining today's Jira training session. Today, we're going to be looking at how to easily tell what sorts of Jira permissions you do have. Three things you need to take note of. You could either be a Jira user, a project administrator, or a system administrator. System administrators are sometimes referred to as super Jira users as well. So in this training, when you hear me say Super Jira users, I'm referring to the system administrator. So here on my screen, I'm logged onto my project in Jira. At the left side of the screen, if you can see project settings, either here or at the bottom of your screen, that tells you you are a project administrator. If you can see at the right hand side, there is a cogwheel at the top of the screen as well, where my mouse is, and it says settings because that takes you to the settings for Jira in itself. If you can see, if you click on the cogwheel and you can see Jira settings, you can see systems, you can see a drop down list that tells you you are a Super Jira user. A Super Jira user has permissions to view all the projects within the system, whereas a project administrator only has the ability to view and access settings for their project only. So if you can see this, the settings for the system, you are a Super Jira user. If you cannot, but you can see the project settings, that means you are a project administrator. If you cannot see both, that simply tells you you are a Jira user. A Jira user has the ability to create issues. You can still manage your work, you can still create your dashboards, you can still view dashboards, create filters, you can still do a lot of things within Jira, but will not be able to make further modifications to workflows, to create custom fields, to do certain things either a Super Jira user can do or a project administrator can do. So thank you for staying tuned to the end of the training session. And if you haven't done already, remember to subscribe, like, click on the notification button so you get notified once a new video is uploaded, and also share with your friends. Thank you and see you in my next video.